Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna be covering our weekly forex analysis for the week of July 26th to the 30th. This is it, guys. The month of July from now on, it will be history. So this is the last week of July. So as you all know, this is Teamwitherving here. If you want to see the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here in our Forex channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified so you don't miss anything from our channel, because we here do live session on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we're pretty active on the market, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you will not miss any content from us. But welcome to our weekly forex analysis. Let's go. Let me show you what the market is gonna do this last week of July. So today we're gonna go ahead and start with EURUSD. EURUSD has been selling for so long. So what we're looking for here, guys, is let me show you why EURUSD was selling, guys. It's very important for you to understand that. So we are gonna be continuing analyzing our system with our multiple time frame and our TWE sniper entry as well. If you're interested after you are seeing this, guys, the link will be in the bottom of this video if you want to join us, and you will love what we're going to be showing you here today. But this is the setup that we are looking here. Look at when it was previously in a sell position. Multiple time frame came in here, sniper entry showed us in here. The stairs were on point. Look at that, boom, 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 and the market did drop. Now what it is going on for this last week of July? So it seems like August is gonna be a nice bullish position. So market is giving us a heads up. Yes, we are gonna be looking for a buy position. So that's why I'm thinking here to be in a buy position. Now let me go ahead and zoom back to normal, and so you can see the whole picture, right? So let me zoom in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Actually 2 times in here. Then let's go to end shift and let's analyze the market in real data. So this is what I'm seeing here, guys. So market right at this present time, multiple time frame has come in the exact same level with your TWE sniper entry, letting you know that we are going to be in a buy position. Here it is, our multiple time frame green arrow, letting us know that yes, we are ready to go in a buy position. By my weekly analysis for this pair for EURUSD, we're still gonna get some small push back down, making this buyer's position here stronger, and then boom, we are going in as a buy position. So we are gonna be doing a review this coming Wednesday, so you can make sure you subscribe so you will not miss anything when we do our follow-up, because we like to follow up what we're doing here. Today is the before, and Wednesday will be the after. So we do the before and after, so join us so you will not miss anything. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys is CADJPY. So market right at this present time, guys. Pay close attention. What is your sniper entry doing? Your sniper entry is selling, guys. Market right at this present time is selling, except that we are doing a pullback. So market at this present time is giving us a pullback going against that sell position. So the pullback is very strong, to be honest, very strong. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is market still had room to go up a few more pips, probably like 15 pips, making this sell position. Is really giving us heads up. Hey John, hey Billy, hey Harold, we all getting ready for this sell position, and that's what we're looking for in here. So we're looking for continuation of that sell position. All right, that's what I'm seeing here so far, guys. I don't know if you guys have any question. Please let me know in the comment below. If you have any question, comment below. Let me know. I'm here for you. This is for you guys. This is for you to become the best of the best. And one quick reminder to everyone, please don't forget, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here on YouTube, trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? and hundreds of pips trading with the market. So make sure you do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose, because this business can be risky and also you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars out of it. But if you don't know how to trade, let me know in the comment below and I will be more than happy to teach you. Now let's move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is GBPUSD. Pay close attention what GBPUSD is doing, guys. So all we're seeing here, the GBPUSD multiple time frame is letting us know that we are selling the market. What is our sniper entry letting us know here? Our sniper entry is letting us know that we are also selling the market. So what is the market doing at this present time, guys? The market is selling. Guys, always pay attention to your dashboard, okay? Always pay attention to your dashboard, no matter what you're gonna be doing in this business. So market is selling, but this is a but here. Market is giving us a pullback. So what does that pullback represent? Represent a buy position. So right at this present time, the market is giving us a heads up. Hey, I'm gonna be in a bearish position now. So yesterday, no, that was on Friday night. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday, right? On Friday, the market tried to close as a bearish position, because look at this candle in real time. So all I can say, guys, this week market still gonna push down to your 23.6 Fibonacci level. The market may do a small retracement, making this sell position stronger, and then from there, boom, we are gonna be in a continuation of that sell position. All I can see it right now at this present time, guys, yes, the market is getting ready for that sell position. We're gonna review this video anyway on Wednesday so you can see it. All right, another thing, guys, if you want to become a member of our multiple time frame, the link is below. If listen to this, guys, if you do not want to become a member yet, then you can join our YouTube Go membership. You will get access for 30 days. After 30 days, you will ask yourself, okay, this is not for me, this is for me. You will love what you're gonna be learning here. I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. And from there, you're gonna stay with us. But give it a try out, get access for 30 days, and then you make your decision. At least you got 30 days. It's not like, you know, we're giving you 5 days. No, you got 30 days of, you're gonna be looking behind our shoulders how we trade and how we look for analysis. The only thing that you're not gonna have access is to the whole system, but you're gonna see us how we break down every pair and so on. So you will love it, trust me, you will. All right, let's move on to the next pair that I have for you. The next one that I have, it is USD Canadian. What is USD Canadian doing, guys? USD Canadian, it is bullish. Look at this amazing bullish position, guys. Boom, look at that. What is your sniper entry telling you? Oh, I'm in a buy position. Look at those stairs, boom, boom. And what did the market do here? Market went up in favor of the big buy position, but market is giving us a retracement at this present time. So market, yes, is giving us that pullback still valid. I'm seeing here a continuation of the R multiple time frame red arrow that it says, yes, I'm gonna continue push down another level to our 38 Fibonacci level. From there, from here, guys, this is what we're waiting here. We are waiting right at this area here. We are waiting for R. Boom, green arrow. What is that green arrow gonna do? Well, it's gonna go in continuation of this buy position here, and boom, market will continue its original trend, which is bullish. Anyway, we're gonna reanalyze this pair this Wednesday. So this month of July, guys, so far we analyzed 3 weeks. Out of those 3 weeks, one pair has gone against our analysis. It's not bad, guys. It's really not bad. Our philosophy here is to lose at least 30% of our trades that we're gonna be taking in a weekly. But even if we lose all this week, guys, we're still winning the whole month. We're still winning. I mean, we're winning 3 weeks out of 4, so it's not bad. So I'm telling you, guys. So make sure, guys, if you want to come on class on Tuesday with the rest of the crew, Don't forget, you will get access for 30 days. If you decide just to take a look at our Gold membership, then you can cancel off the 30 days. That's up to you. Or if you want to grab the multiple time frame all at once, the link is below. So both links are gonna be below. Okay, so let's go. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the day. So guys, the market will be open today at 5 p.m. Please do not trade on Sundays, guys. I always say that. Don't trade on Sundays. Those are trap days. Market will take you out. So please be careful. Be careful. All right, so the next pair that I have for you here, it is the following. This is USDJPY. Pay close attention what USDJPY is doing. This is what is very important to have our system, guys. Look at here. Let me break it down slowly. Always pay attention to your dashboard. I don't care what you're gonna be doing here. Always pay attention to your dashboard. Then pay close attention to your multiple time frame. Boom, multiple time frames telling you that we are selling it, right? Then your sniper entry is also confirming that we are also selling the market. So market at this present time, it is dropping. Look at those stairs. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And what is the market doing? Market, it is doing only one damn thing. Market is dropping. But market at this present time, guys, is giving us a pullback. So this pullback is going against those sell position. What's my understanding for this coming week, guys? Market, it's still gonna give us probably 10-15 more pips. It's giving you a heads up already. Hey, I'm getting ready to be in continuation of that sell position. Then most likely market is still gonna be bouncing between the 50 and 61 Fibonacci line, and from there, boom, market will continue to be in a sell position. So we are coming back anyway on Wednesday, where you are gonna be see the product of before and after. And there you can say, you know what, Irvin, everything worked out based on what you say. Oh, the market got you on this one, but so far this month of July, only one pair has gone against us. So it's not a bad idea, to be honest. So we are here trying to make those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips, trading our multiple time frame in favor of our TWE sniper entry. So if you decide, look, this is what you're gonna be doing. If you decide to join our Gold membership on YouTube, so you're gonna be seeing us. We do have some extra layers that you're gonna be learning on our live session. So we're gonna be teaching you why this happens, why is this there, why is the market dropping, why is the market doing a pullback, how not to enter right at this present time if the market is not ready to be selling. That's what you're gonna be learning. There's a lot of rules that we do take behind scenes, so you will love it. To be honest, you will love it. So the link is below. Join a Gold membership if you want, or you can join our multiple time frame all at once. So but today, guys, today we are doing one amazing weekly forex analysis for this week. Remember, we are analyzing our weekly forex week for the week of 26th to the 30th. This is it, guys. This is the last week. So let's go. Let's make this week a very successful, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do a live a YouTube live streaming, and then we're gonna start doing our Zoom call on Tuesday. So hopefully I get to see more newbies on this coming week. So thank you, guys. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. So I see you tomorrow. See you hasta mañana. Bye bye. Peace.